Welcome to Sugalindamani video. In this video, today we will tell you about a GST enabled accounting software, that is ActBook. So first of all, you have to download our software. For that, you have to visit our portal www.filegstnow.com. On your right hand side, you can see there are different menu bars given over here: register, partner, GST search, product, knowledge and company. You have to click on products. And you can see there's an option given here over here for software download. There are different software given over here. You have to click on ActBook version 2.3, that is our accounting software. So you have to download it from here. First of all, the first step is to download ActBook support file and ActBook setup. One is support file and one is setup. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to download. So our accounting software is basically for the person who uses on a B2B purchases. So you can work over here as an accountant. You can create your sales, purchase, you can create your party account, you can create your ledgers, balance sheet, trial balance, trading account. Everything which you do on accounts you can do on our software, accounting software. There are different accounting software in markets, but we are GST enabled. You can directly file your GST return from here. So it is very easy to use. I'll give a demo on to you on this software. So first of all, you have to just download our software. So you can see it will be downloaded within a few seconds. So ActBook setup file has been downloaded. So you have to open this file. So you have to click on yes. And click on next. Then you have to click on install. Your support file setup has been installed. Click on finish. Now you have to click on ActBook setup file. You have to click on yes. Now you are going to download the ActBook software. Click on next. Choose your file location where you want to download this software and click on next. Next, create a desktop icon. If you want to create a desktop icon, click on next and click on install. You can see our software is being installed. So this is how you can download our software from filegstnow.com and follow the process. You can see download installed has been finished. Click on finish. You can see now our software has been installed and it has been opened directly. So the first step for any software is to create company. So now in this software, first of all we will create company. So the gateway first gateway is to create your own company. So then only you can make entries in this, you can make sales purchase, you can create a party account. So click on company new, or either you can click on create a new company, or you can go on companies tab and select new company. So you have to create a new company of your own, like ABC Private Limited. Then you have to give your address, city, state, you have to give your state, and you have to give your state code, mobile number, mail ID, website. You have to enter your mobile number, mail ID, website, whatever you want to enter. As VAT number is not now mandatory, you can skip. You have to give your GST number. You have to enter your GST number. You have to enter your PAN number. CST number is now not applicable. Licensing. So if you are DL means drug license. So if you are dealing in any pharmacy or in any pesticides, so you have been given a license, you have to give details of your item, of your license number. You have to give details. This is an optional. You can select your financial year. As by default it has been 2017 only, 17-18. So now, as this software is a multi-user software, you can create your username and password. I am creating my username and password and click on create company. You can see new company has been successfully created. In the next screen you will be prompted to log into the company. So now you can see our login page. You have to enter your username and password. From here you can see a YouTube channel also. You can see our different videos, as we are linked with filegstnow. So you can see how to register yourself, how to file your GSTR1. You can see how to create company in ActBook in our accounting software, and click on login. You can see our company has been logged in successfully. Now from here you can start doing your accounting work. So the first step for any accounting business, any accounting work, you have to create your party account. So if you are selling or purchasing, you have your party accounts. So first of all you have to create your party account. So either you can click on account, or can use Control A, or you can go on Masters tab and click on accounts. You can see an address book has been opened. There are many default accounts has been created over here. When you will create any party account, so you can search from here also, but as we have not now created any account, so we will click on new and create a party account. So you have to enter your party account's name, like Senvit Private Limited. Group, you can choose any group. If you are selling anything to this party, you can choose customer. Opening balance, if there are any outstanding balance of your customer has been remained, you can, like 5,000 is liable to give to take from your customer. As this is a debit is receivable and credit is payable. Debit what comes out and credit what goes in. So you have to give address, city, if you are of same city, then your party is of same city, state Haryana. You can see state code has been automatically selected. So if you want to see the list of state code, you can click on question mark tab and can see your state code. There are a list of state codes given over here, as this is a very mandatory field in GST that you have to mention your state code. Phone number, mobile number, you have to enter your mobile number. You have to enter your email address, contact person, birthdays on. This is for creating your customer relationship, that if you give your customers information like birthdays and anniversary, an automatic message will be sent to your customers, your party's phone number, that happy birthday wish or anniversary wish. It's just to create a customer relationship. Bank name, if you want to give their bank name, bank accounts, check printing name, you have to give your customer's GST number. Aadhaar card number and party type. This is a very important field, that if you are selling within state B2B party, that if you are selling within state and you are selling to a registered person, if you are also a registered person and if your party is also a registered person, then you have to select B2B. Within state consumer means you are selling to any consumer who is not registered to the GST. So you can select within state consumer. Out of the state B2B party means you are selling out of the state to a registered person. Out of the state consumer means you are selling out of the state to an unregistered person. Composite tailor and not applicable. So we will select within state B2B party, as we have created our company of Haryana and our party is also from Haryana. So we will select within state B2B party, as we have also GST number and our customer is also a registered person and have a GST number. So we will skip the VAT number. You can give your UCard number, you can enter your PAN number. CST number is not mandatory. You have to give your TL number one. If your party account is also dealing in some drug license, you have to enter your license number, drug license number. You can click on maintain bill by bill balance if you want to maintain your party account by bill balance. So you can give credit limit, what we say in Hindi is udhar. Bill limit, credit days for sale, credit days for purchase, and click on save. New account has been added. Now we will create item. So if we have opened a company, that's but obvious that we are selling or purchasing any particular item, so we will create a new item. You can see when we will create different items, it will be shown over here. As now we haven't created any items, it is not showing over here. We will click on new and we'll create an item. So we will give an item name if we are dealing in computers. So we will give computers short name. HSN code. HSN code is very mandatory in GST, harmonized system nomenclature. It is a number to identify your product. So you can check your items HSN code. You can have to click on question mark tab given over there. You can see there's a list of HSN code. HSN code is for goods and SSC code is for services. You can see there's a list of HSN code is given over here. You can search your product's HSN code by entering Ctrl F, and you can search your HSN code like computer, as our item is computer. You can see we will select what kind of product is ours. Computers, printers, ribbon. No. We will select you can see a computer. We can take personal computer, laptop, palm top, etc. So we will copy this code and we'll paste it over here, and goes on the next step, that is selecting tax slab. So what is the tax slab applicable to the computer is 18% of GST. You can create a tax slab from here, or you can edit your existing tax slab from here. So now we have to create a company, item company, like it's of Acer. So we will create Acer and click on save. We will select Acer. What kind of group goes on over here? So we will create electronics. And click on save. You can place a photo also over here and click on save. Now you have to select units, like one bag have to this pieces. So we will select box as a primary unit, and alternative unit we will select piece. Conversion factor is how much a one box will contain. Maintain batch is for those products like medicine, or for the person who are dealing in pharmacy. They have to maintain some batches. They have to give their manufacturing date and expiry date. So as you will select maintain batch, you can see this tab will change, and you can see expiry date, manufacturing date, batch number. So if you are dealing in that, or if you are dealing in any type of phones that enables tracking system, you can select that also, or you can skip. If you want to give details over here, you can also give details over here, but as we are creating only items, we will skip this step and we'll save this item. Product has been saved successfully. Now we will create another item. We'll click on new, and like if I am purchasing mouse, we will search HSN code of this product. You can see HSN code of mouse is this. You have to copy this code and you will give this code over here. Now tax slab, you have to select your tax slab rate. If it's 12% of GST, same goes over here. If you are going for Acer electronics, you have to choose alternative unit, like box, pieces, price per piece, and the same process will goes over here. and click on save. You can see product has been saved successfully. Now if we are selling, so how we will create our sales entry, how we will create our sales invoices, GST enabled invoices. So first of all we will create sales bills. So click on sales, or either you can go on masters, entries and select sales. As for now we haven't created any sales invoices, so it's showing blank over here. So we will create a new sales invoice. So this is how you will maintain your sales bills. Date, terms, if you are going for credit you can select credit. So now you can see automatically your party is being displayed. You can select it over from here, as we have created party account of customer. So on sales it has been automatically selected. Now when you will click on enter, a basic details of your company will be shown over here. Click on continue and sale types has been automatically selected. Local B2B sales, voucher number. If you want to give, if you have any bill number, you will enter your bill number. Due date, item. What items are you selling? Like if you are selling computers, quantity box, one box. Like if you are selling 5 pieces of computer. Price per piece of computer, like if it's 20,000. You can see price per piece, basic amount has been calculated. As 5 pieces, we have selected 5 pieces and price is 20,000, and tax amount has been automatically calculated, as we have when we have created our item we have selected the slab rate and net value, and we will select the second item if we are selling any other item like mouse. One box, 5 pieces, price per piece is 5,000. If it's 5,000, you can see tax amount has been calculated automatically, and now you can save this bill. So you can see sale entry has been saved. Do you want to print bill? You can print your bill instantly from here. You can click on yes. Now if you want any transporter copy, duplicate copy, you can select and select the format type. If you want in GST invoice, you have to select GST invoice format bill, and you can click on print, or I am showing you the preview of the bill. You can see this is GST enabled sales tax invoice. You can see GST number of our company, your customer's GST number as purchases name and address. You can see SGST and CGST has been automatically calculated over here, and the total amount after tax, total tax amount, GST. So this is how you can see a GST enabled tax invoice. Now we will get back to the our software. Now we have seen how we will create our sales invoice. So now if we want to check our sales invoices, and if you want to edit anything to your invoices, you can double click on your invoice, or either you can delete. You can see you can edit your invoices from here and click on update. Now I'll show you how you will create purchases. Now this is how you will create a purchase account. We will click on new. Now we will select the date, terms if you are purchasing in credit. Now as in sales, we have created a party account and we have selected the party type is of customer. Now they are our supplier. Now we will create a party account as a supplier cause our party is a supplier and we are a purchaser. So you can see the group of your party is supplier. So now you can directly create your account from there by clicking on add tab. Now you will create your suppliers account. DHL, print name, supplier. If there is an opening balance, you can give city. Now if we are purchasing anything outside the state, we have seen in our sales bills that we are selling within state. Now what if we are purchasing within state? So Gurgaon, and we will select state as a Haryana. You can see state code has been automatically shown over here. You have to give mobile number, email ID, contact person, birthdays and anniversary. This is for creating a customer relationship with your customer, that if you are giving your customers information and our software will automatically wish him on their birthdays on anniversary on, they will make an alert that your party's birthday is on this date. This will create a customer relationship. So this is a very good feature of our software. You have to give GST number of your supplier, sorry. Aadhaar card number, if you want to give Aadhaar card number, party type. So you can see it has automatically created within state B2B party. It has been automatically created as our company is of Gurgaon only, Haryana only, and our party account is also from Haryana. So it's within state B2B party, as both the party have their GST number, are registered with the GST. So we will select within state B2B party. And if you want to give the basic details of your supplier, you can give. If you want to select maintain bill balance, the same process goes over here. So this is an optional, and click on save. As you can see, party account has been created. We will select DHL Private Limited and a basic details has been displayed over here. Click on continue, and you can see local B2B purchase has been automatically selected. If we want to give any bill number, we will give due date, items, what kind of items we are purchasing from our party, like if we are purchasing computer only, or if you are dealing in any other item, you can directly create that item over from here. You can see we are redirected to the item entries. So as we will select mouse, if you want to select mouse, quantity, if we are purchasing mouse, one box may contain 15 pieces and price per piece is 500. If we will select 500, you can see basic amount has been calculated including tax amount, and the net value has also been calculated. Now if we are purchasing computers, quantity one box, 2 pieces, price per piece we will take 20,000. You can see basic amount has been calculated, tax amount 7200 as we have selected the tax slab rate, net value, and click on save. So you can see purchase entry has been saved. Now we have seen how we will create party account, how we will create item, how we will make sales bills, how we will enter our sales details, purchases, purchase account. Now if you want to see purchases, you can see your purchase bill has been created. So this is our software and how this software works. So you can create you can see from display items, you can get your GSTR reports, GSTR1, you can get your B2B taxable invoices, B2C large invoices according to the entries you are making over here. Display, you can see your balance sheet, profit and loss, trading account, every accounting things you can see, accounts books, journal register, contra register, payment register, whatever we do on accounts we can see it over here. So this is how our software works. So thank you for watching our videos and have a nice day.